Good morning guys. For today's video, ngangawil kami. Dito kami ngayon sa Jersey Channel. Ngangawil kami. Yeah. So we're going to make fishing. Sama ko si Greg or Siloman. Yan, bangka namin, no? Be careful, ha? Nice boat. Alright, see you later guys. Dito, nangamil muna tayo. Walang ulam eh. So, dito muna. Kasama ko si... Dito yung bangka ng Siloman. Ganda muna kami. Radin! Our boss for today. Welcome. So big fishing. We have now bait. Oh, also for okay na yan din. 26 meters. Oh. That's it. 10 o'clock. Start fishing, ha. Tingnan natin. Oh, ang linaw, oh. So this is my pasol. Kauna, then bonus. Right, so guys, let's experience how to make fish in the Jersey Island. This Herm. All right, see you later.
Herm,
that's Herm. Oh, see, that's the Herm. That's our boss for today. All right. Medyo wala kami. Tahimik kaya lipat kami ng lugar. Yan ang kawil ready na yung kawil ko. Lipat na yung ano namin, post namin. Ito yung Siloman namin. Ayos. Alright, see you guys. Makulit tayo ng pangulam. Good. Okay. Okay. We're getting near to the island. Second drop. Yeah. Just drop your rod. Oh, buhay pa ang pamain namin. Hello, Greg. Yeah, yes. Oh, we second drop, huh? Maybe this time we have good weather. Over, right? Okay. That's a Sunday. Huh?
It's one of those.
Ah. Oh. Okay. Start. Yeah. 1, 2, 0. All right.
Hamfrock at the moment.
Oh, 3.
Hamfrock just getting some sand eels. Yeah. Because he's got no greens.
Here, tusok mo.
I want some greens. For fishing. Hey? Yeah, well, we're getting mackerel and greens at the moment, so we're moving in a minute. Yeah.
That's it?
Well, I'm just trying here for a little bit, and then I'm probably going to go onto a wreck. Where are you going to
Grupo
go?
yata ng mga
Onto a wreck somewhere.
grupo ng mga isda. Ano nga siya? Kasi dito sa
Okay.
ano,
And then, are you still thinking about the Nika?
grupo yun. Alright.
Oh well, we'll shout us when you're
Ikaw
going
din,
there.
wala pa?
I can't there because I got the boys from the
Ha?
Rone on board. So.
Sige, malapit na yan.
Yeah, well just
Kulang
that's
na.
what I say. Just ping me a message when you're going.
Guys, lipat na naman kami guys. 4-0 guys. Pero nilagay ko, laki nga ang huli ko. Pero yung malaki. Ah, malaki. Yan, we are going to transfer now to other here to the coast. 6 miles. Okay. We transfer again.
What, the spot we go to?
We transfer now, no? We are going to...
We're just moving up on this, we get a few more, and
Yeah.
then we go over that way.
So we're getting near.
Yeah, this way the ripple of water is.
Yeah. All right. Because my friend now lipat daw kami, lipat. Hirap pagpan eh. Ha? Maybe one.
You got one.
Oh, you saw me in the body, yeah?
Loads of them. That's why.
Like a good, huh?
There'll be loads on the bottom.
Yeah.
While you're hooking them on the belly.
Yeah. That's like nice one. Radin. Yeah. See? Oh. Oh, good, huh? Oh yeah, we saw those. We will passing, I think. Huh? Ito din, oh. Tulo. Tatlo din. Oh! Change na. Wow. Not good. Okay. Wah. Mahina. Hindi na marunong taga-tubod ah. Parang hito. Nice. Wow! Sulit. Lipat na naman kami guys. Dahil ano, marami na kami pamain. No? Mga kapitan na rin. Transfer. sila din. Tapos na kami nag-training. Meron kami kasama tatay ng ng Sailuma namin. Tapos na namin nag-training dito daw banda. Dito na yung totoong pangawil. Malalaki daw dito. Dito ng totoong pangawil. So nandun yung kasama nila. Tatay ng isang tropa din niya. Ganyan talaga mga magtropa, yan kasama din sila. Subukan na namin dito. So,
Okay.
we try this
So,
area.
big bottom straight up.
Yeah.
Cowboys.
All right.
Snag.
Okay. So, it's the same. Check it out, guys. It's like, oh,
Combo. A big one.
din. Oh. Pero ito yung kupit. Very nice, ha? Okay. This.
That's a combo.
Camber?
Yeah. They're the ones these.
Oh, that one will be prison so, huh?
That's a big one.
Big one. Alright. Nice.
We'll take some pictures after.
Yeah. Yeah. Excellent. Testing lang yun, guys. Testing lang. Nakaisa tayo. Testing ulit yun. Punta kami sa pinakamalayo daw. Sila din, no? Kondisyon na, kondisyon na. Ay, pagkain na na. Palayo na lang. Oh! Zero.
Okay, it's alright.
Is it okay?
Yeah, it's alright.
Alright. Ganyan lang yun.
Tuck it back. Too small.
Put that?
Too small.
Yeah?
Too small. No, no. In. Too
In,
small.
in.
Yeah.
Oh, it's small daw. Boy.
Here we go.
Guys, maliit daw kaya binalik.